Hello fellow explorers, today we are at Leadenhall Market. This market is quite steeped in history. We're in the centre of London, and in fact this market was right in the heart of Roman London quite a few years ago. It was actually, it became a market in the 14th century, and I think it was actually called Leadenhall Market because the roof was actually made of lead. I think that was in about 1380 something. It's also been used in quite a few films. Harry Potter, there was 2 Harry Potter films where they filmed this in Leadenhall Market, and I think Tomb Raider as well was filmed here, one of the Tomb Raiders. Also featured in Mario Kart, the London Loop at Mario Kart. You could race your little go-kart through here. But originally it was a meat and poultry market. As you can see on both sides, there's these sort of metal hooks. This is where the meat was hung, waiting to be sold. And it was in the 1800s, I think, when they was doing some remodelling, and they actually came across some Roman mosaics in the market, and I think it was around 1990 when it was redecorated as well. But it's a very ornate looking market, as you can tell. There is a little hidden door here somewhere where I think in Harry Potter they go shopping for wands, and they go through this door into like a parallel sort of market. But it's quite a beautiful market. There's a bit of construction going on at the moment. It's open Monday to Saturday, and I'm visiting on a Sunday, so as you can see there's not any shops open, not many people about, but this really is quite a busy market. I will actually make another film one day when it's a lot busier, maybe in the summertime. There's quite a few pubs, restaurants here as well you can visit. Lots of shops that you don't really see on the high street. There's a little bit of history about Leadenhall Market there. But this is a very quiet Sunday in February 2023. But yes, quite a few years ago, actually, when it was used as a meat and poultry market, there used to be lots of butchers, and geese were slaughtered here on the site. But now it's quite a sort of trendy market in London. Coming up to this postbox here, and it's got GR on it, which stands for George Regina. So this is King George. This is quite old. It's probably around 100 years old, that postbox. And we're just going to stroll through the market. There's a Harry Potter poster there. You can actually go inside and purchase a walking map of all the locations that were filmed in London in the Harry Potter films. The guy that redesigned it in 1881, Sir Horace Jones, was also the architect of Billingsgate Market and Smithfield Market. This is quite the tourist attraction, this Leadenhall Market. I think it was Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone was filmed here. There's obviously been other films. There's actually been a music video, Erasure, Love to Hate You. The music video was filmed here as well. And in 2012, the London Marathon actually passed through here. It is a very beautiful market. And if you're enjoying the video, please consider subscribing for lots more content of London and around the world. We do really appreciate it if you could. It's free to do so. Just hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button if you're liking it as well. And feel free to leave any comments down below as well. It all helps the channel out. Thank you very much. It's quite nice on a Sunday, just walking around a quieter area of London without all tourists everywhere. It's a shame about this construction work going on with the scaffolding, but I'm sure it'll look amazing once they finish whatever they're doing. We're just going to head outside of the market now. We're going to go just around the corner. This is a lovely looking pub, a bunch of grapes. But yes, this market was it's been around for quite a few years now, 800-900 years. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you in the next video.